Listen to those birds. I'm making a pad for a sauna. It's a perfect spot for a sauna beside these trees and all the birds. Let's get it going. We're going to level it out with some limestone today. We're going to put a screen so no weeds grow up through the limestone. And then we'll put some stone on top of the limestone, some flagstones and some patio stones, and some legs for the sauna. Let's see what we get done today. So here's all the limestone, and there's the stone. Here's the pieces of flagstone. Here's the few patio stones I'm using, and the legs. These bricks are going to be the legs, or the feet of the sauna. So now we got the screen down to block all the weeds. Now it's ready to dump some limestone down. Let's go get some pails. Another load of limestone for the sauna. So we're almost done the limestone here. Got a couple more wheelbarrows. We're more than half the way through the pile now. And then we got to level it out. We got all the limestone in. Put it up a lot. We're too tired. We're going to do the stones and maybe the tampering another day, tomorrow or the next day. At least we got a nice fireproof pad for the sauna. Look what showed up today. It's almost heaven because we're almost there. We're gonna put this up in the next week, and I'll be able to enjoy this real soon. Okay, we got the support stones in place and leveled. Now we're dropping the 3/4 inch stone all around. Once that's done, we're going to put the legs and the frame of the sauna. Okay, we got 1/4 of the barrel on. We're going to do the other 1/4, and then we'll get the walls up. We have the bottom cradle done. Maybe it's about 1/3 done, but 2/3 left. We're going to put the walls on now. Maybe this is about 1/4. We'll see. Here we got the front door on, the front wall, and the back wall. And we have it braced. You want to put the brace up there just to hold it until you get up to that spot. It's looking nice and level. And let's get some more of the barrel up. We've got half of the sauna done now. More than half. We just have the other side wall and the interior benches. And then I think we're done until we get the stove in. I think we're getting it done pretty quick. Pretty simple, straightforward. The sauna shell is all done. Now we got to go and put the benches in. Here's the first look inside of the sauna. We're gonna get the bands on to hold everything in place and keep it sturdy. Just unravel them, throw them over, connect the bolts on the other side, and tighten. We got the bands and straps and bolts tightened, and we got the rain roof secured. We got the front porch put on. We got the benches inside done and the floor. All we need now is the wood stove. And we get to enjoy this baby. Just gotta get those pipes in, put a hole up there, and we're grooving. They didn't send me the right pipe, so we had to drop the pipe down a bit. We don't have enough room for the rocks, but we'll make do until I get a pipe, and I'll lift it up and put the rocks in there when I can. Until then, we've got the pipe and the flashing on for the roof, and the pipe's connected to the stove. It's ready to go. We got the boot there connected to the sauna and the pipe and the chimney. We're all ready to start this bad boy up and have a first sauna. We got everything we need. Time to go in. What? What do you think?
Fucking nice.
The music stopped because I'm filming. That sucks. But I gotta jump out again. It's so hot.
Yeah.
So hot.
Fuck.
Wow. Some gin and juice. Some Snoop Dogg gin and juice, hey?
Yeah, it's fucking good. Holy fuck, it's on here.
Oh, let's watch this. Let's get it really hot. Oh yeah. Listen to this sizzle. Hot. That's called full sending it right there.